Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2014 GMC Sierra. This vehicle is featured in white metallic paint with chrome alloy rims. We have our chrome running boards, rear tonneau cover, rear privacy tint, heated leather seats, backup camera, as well as our sunroof. Onto the interior of the Sierra. On our door panel we can see we have our memory seat option, chrome door handle, window and mirror controls with power mirror fold-in, wood trim, Bose speaker, and storage. Side of the seat we have our power adjustable seat with lumbar support. And left of the steering wheel we have our trailer brake, four-wheel drive and lighting controls. Our gauge cluster with screen. Multifunction leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. Heated seat options. Infotainment screen with backup camera and navigation. And below that we have our radio and CD player. Our radio controls and CD player, I should say. Dual zone climate controls, vehicle controls, pedal adjustment, and our charging outlets. Then we have some storage, two cup holders, padded leather center console lid with phone holder. The front seats are featured in black leather. On the rearview mirror we have OnStar controls, and above that our reading lights, sunglass holder, gray headliner, and sunroof. Back onto the exterior, we can see our Z71 badging, chrome alloy rims with GMC badge center caps, Sierra badging in chrome, as well as our running boards, chrome mirror caps, and door handles. We have our rear privacy tint, soft tonneau cover, and around to the back we have our chrome rear bumper with bumper steps, dual exhaust, and hitch underneath. Then our GMC, SLE, and Sierra badging. Now onto the rear interior, we can see we have our chrome door handle, window switch, wooden trim, speaker, and storage. Back of the front seats we have our leather magazine holders, and back of the center console area we have our rear storage and charging outlet. And our back seats are a 60-40 split with fold down center seat featuring two cup holders inside. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of our 2014 GMC Sierra. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos. And we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.